The world of NFT has continued to explode ever since the record-breaking $69 million sale of a digital collage by crypto artist people in 2021. Big names in TV, sports, and music continued to get in on the trend. Just look at Mila Kunis, Tom Brady, and John Legend, who all have companies that are maximizing on NFT technology. That enough can make people want to buy one for themselves. If you're still a little hazy on understanding NFT, what you need to know is that NFT are units of data, unique code, that provide a secure record of ownership on a blockchain infrastructure. Examples are Ethereum or Solana. NFTs, which stand for non-fungible tokens, are often associated with a digital asset like an image or video that lives on a blockchain. Some NFT projects you might recognize are CryptoPunks or Bored Ape Yacht Club. NFT can be copied or altered, so they can be used to track ownership of property that can't be replicated, like the rights to an image. This technology is being applied to purchasing digital art, music, and sports moments. Below, we've compiled a list of the top 20 places you can buy NFT. How to buy NFT. Today, most NFT are purchased with Ether, ETH, the native currency of the Ethereum network, which can be converted from US dollars on exchanges like Coinbase, Kraken, and Gemini. Unlike Bitcoin, which functions mainly as a payment network and cryptocurrency, blockchain networks such as Ethereum and Solana let users build apps that can store personal data and set rules for complex financial transactions. These are called smart contracts, which are digital contracts stored on a blockchain that are automatically executed when certain conditions are met, like when an NFT transfers ownership and the original artist receives royalties. In order to buy NFT, you will need to establish a digital wallet to store your cryptocurrency. Examples include Gemini, MetaMask, Binance, and Coinbase, which you can connect to the marketplace where you plan to buy NFT, like at one of the marketplaces below. NFT are often sold through an auction system where you'll put in a bid for the NFT. Some sites like OpenSea offer an option to buy the NFT now for a set price. Where to buy NFT? Just how fast is the market growing? Research released in January 2022 from Emergent Research shows that the global NFT market size is expected to reach more than $3.5 trillion in 2030. The market size reached $340 million in 2020 for comparison. Still, there have been multiple reports of theft and fraud. Fees and commissions vary widely, and the electricity needed to run the Ethereum network is a source of massive carbon emissions. Those entering the market should do so with eyes wide open, understanding that it's important to assess marketplaces, including occasionally inconspicuous FAQ and service terms, with scrutiny. Keeping all that in mind, if you're wondering where to get started, here's a look at 10 marketplaces and what they offer buyers and sellers. Here are some of the best NFT marketplaces right now. 1. OpenSea. OpenSea is the leader in NFT sales. OpenSea has all sorts of digital assets available on its platform, and it's free to sign up and browse the extensive offerings. It also supports artists and creators and has an easy-to-use process if you want to create your own NFT, known as minting. The marketplace supports more than 150 different payment tokens, so the platform's name is appropriate. For an introduction to the NFT world, OpenSea is a great place to start. 2. Axie Marketplace. Axie Marketplace is the online shop for the video game Axie Infinity. Axies are mythical creatures that can be bought and trained and then pitted against other players. Axes to earn rewards. On Axie Marketplace, players can buy new axes, as well as entire lands and other items, as NFT for use within the game. Axie Infinity tokens, called Axie Shards, are built on the Ethereum blockchain. As such, they can be bought and sold on a variety of other NFT marketplaces, as well as on some cryptocurrency exchanges such as Coinbase Global. 3. Larva Labs or CryptoPunks. Larva Labs is best known for the viral CryptoPunks NFT project. They were originally given away for free back in 2017, but some CryptoPunks have sold for millions of dollars since then. Larva Labs has other digital art projects going such as autoglyphs, as well as other Ethereum blockchain-based app development projects. Larva Labs CryptoPunks NFT are sold out, but they can be bid on and bought from various third-party marketplaces. Nevertheless, Larva Labs' various projects are worth keeping tabs on, including the Meebits, which can be bid on directly from the companies built in Marketplace. 4. NBA Top Shot Marketplace. NBA Top Shot is the National Basketball Association and Women's National Basketball Association's foray into the NFT world. On its marketplace, collectible moments, video clips, and play highlights, and art can be purchased from the world's premier basketball leagues. The NBA built it as a closed marketplace. You can only buy and sell on Top Shot using the Flow blockchain built by Dapper Labs. It's easy to sign up and buy directly on the Top Shot marketplace website. Collectible moments can be purchased for as little as a few dollars. 5. Roarable. Roarable is another large marketplace for all sorts of NFT, similar to OpenSea. All kinds of art, videos, collectibles, and music can be bought, sold, or created on the platform. However, unlike OpenSea, you'll need to use the marketplace's own token Roarable to buy and sell in the marketplace. Roarable is built on the Ethereum blockchain, although artwork can be managed on OpenSea as well using Roarable tokens. The company has partnered with some notable companies. Yum! Brands Taco Bell has listed art on Roarable, and cloud software giant Adobe recently partnered with Roarable to help secure NFT artists and creators' work. 6. Super Rare. Similar to Roarable, Super Rare is also building a marketplace for digital creators. The site includes art, videos, and 3D images, but collectors can purchase artwork using Ethereum. Super Rare recently announced its own token of the same name based on the Ethereum blockchain. The tokens will be used to find and curate new talent for the marketplace. Like Roarable, Super Rare NFT can also be bought and sold on OpenSea. 7. Foundation. Foundation.app was designed as a simple, no-frills way to bid on digital art. Sales are made using Ethereum. Since the marketplace's launch in early 2021, it has sold more than $100 million of NFT. Artists are invited to the platform by the Foundation community, and buyers simply need a crypto wallet funded with Ethereum to start making purchases. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to start creating your own NFT, Foundation probably isn't the best place to begin, but the marketplace has plenty of artwork that can be perused in a simple format. 8. Nifty Gateway. Nifty Gateway has facilitated the sale of some of the most popular digital artists such as Beeple and singer/musician Grimes. It's an art curation platform powered by the crypto exchange Gemini, controlled by the Winklevoss twins. The NFTs, known as Nifties, are built on Ethereum. Besides being a curated platform, Nifty Gateway also hosts any NFT purchased, meaning the NFT aren't stored in your own wallet, but are actually stored for you by Nifty Gateway in Gemini. While that may not work for NFT collectors who want more flexibility with their art investments, Nifty purchases and sales also can be made in fiat currency, e.g. US dollars, without making a cryptocurrency purchase first. 9. Mintable. Mintable, backed by billionaire Mark Cuban, aims to be an open marketplace similar to OpenSea. To participate in buying and selling NFT on Mintable, you'll need Ethereum. The platform also supports minting of NFT for creators of all types, from photographers to musicians, who want to sell their work as a digital asset. An aspiring NFT collector or creator will need to purchase Ethereum from a crypto exchange first, then connect their wallet to Mintable to facilitate bidding and buying on the marketplace. 10. Theta Drop. Theta is a blockchain platform built for the decentralized distribution of video and TV on the internet. The NFT marketplace Theta Drop made its debut in 2021 with the World Poker Tour's digital collectibles. The World Poker Tour was an early adopter of Theta TV and uses the platform to stream content. Theta utilizes its own blockchain technology. To participate in the Theta Drop NFT marketplace, you'll need to purchase Theta token. Various crypto exchanges, such as Binance, support Theta, and the tokens and NFT purchased with them can be stored in a crypto wallet, as well as in Theta's own crypto wallet app. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.